Today we're solving inequalities using addition or subtraction. An inequality is a statement formed by placing an inequality symbol between two expressions. For example, y plus 5 is less than or equal to -6. The inequality symbols are less than, greater than, less than or equal to, or greater than or equal to. The solution of an inequality with a variable is the set of all numbers that produce true statements when substituted for the variable. You can show the solution of an inequality by graphing. So if we have x is less than 3, this means all numbers less than 3. So if we graph on a number line, let's say we have 3 right here, this would be 4, this would be 2. Because this is a less than sign, we place an open circle on 3 and we point to all the numbers that are less than 3. That would mean all the numbers to the left of 3. If we have x is greater than 2, this means all numbers greater than 2. So if we put our number line, fill in our number line, this is greater than, we put an open circle on 2 and we point to all the numbers that are greater than 2. In both of these, we have open circles because x would not be equal to 3. Because we don't have the equal under the inequality, these are open circles. This means that the answer does not include 2 and does not include 3. Now if we look at x is less than or equal to 4, this means all numbers less than or equal to 4. So this would be a closed circle on 4, and it's a closed circle because that tells us that 4 also makes this inequality true, and we point to all the numbers that are less than 4. That means all the numbers to the left. So when x is greater than or equal to 2, this means all numbers greater than or equal to 2. So we place our number line. It's a closed circle on 2 because 2 also makes the inequality true. And all the numbers greater than 2 are all the numbers to the right of 2. If we have to solve this inequality, we have m plus 5 is greater than or equal to 10. We're solving for m. We're using the same steps we did when we were solving equations. Our goal is to isolate the variable. Our step 1 is to use inverse operations. And our step 2, what you do to one side, you do to the other. So here we go. If we have m plus 5 is greater than or equal to 10. With this inequality, I already know that it is a closed circle. Yes or no? Okay. So what is the inverse operation of plus 5? Minus 5. What you do to one side, you do to the other. So m, bring this down, is greater than or equal to 5. So in graphing our answer, put our 5, 6, and 4. We said this would be a closed circle on 5. M is all the numbers greater than or equal to 5. Question. If we're solving, -10 is greater than x minus 12. We want x by itself. So the inverse operation of minus 12 is plus 12. What you do to one side, you do to the other. Negative 10 plus 12 is 2. 2 is greater than x. When we graph this, put our 2, 3, and 1. Will this be an open or a closed circle?
Open.
Open on 2. Notice where x is. Points to the left.